friends, welcome to Pyramid Build channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to recharge this Hafilat Abu Dhabi bus card online. It is a very easy step. Just enter the video to know how to recharge online. Just you need to enter Hafilat. Type Hafilat. Once you type, as you shown here, click the first one. Once you click, it will redirect you to the right page. Here you need to click recharge card tab. Once you click the recharge card tab, it will take you to the page as shown here, where you need to type the card number which is available at the back of the Hafilat card. You have to type the number without making any mistake. If you done any mistake, the amount which you recharge will go to the other person. So please take care and type the card number correctly. Once you done, click the button OK. It will take you to this page where you can see all kind of details of your bus card, like the expiry date and the full card number, the balance of the card. So you need to click the drop down menu to recharge this card. There are many options from 10 to 100. So you can choose whatever amount you need to recharge online. So this is the right page. So I'm going to recharge it now. Click the select recharge option button, and now I'm going to choose just 10 AED. So as you see here, I choose 10 AED. Product was ordered to your basket. This is the message which I get here. You will also get the same message. And the next step is basket details. It will show you the amount details, and you need to fill, it's compulsory, the email address. So once you type the email address, you need to click the payment tab. Once you click the payment tab, it will redirect to the next page where you need to pay for the card. You can recharge it by credit card, debit card, and other types too, like Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, Pay It, and Pay By. These are the types where you can recharge this card. So this is the page where it is redirecting you to pay the amount which you selected. I choose the credit card, so I have done the payment. You can see here your payment has been processed successfully for order number so and so. So this is the screen where you will also get once when you done the transaction. So that's it, friends. Hope you like this video. It's a very easy process, and you can recharge your Hafilat Abu Dhabi bus card online, either it is by laptop or by mobile or tab. It's a very easy process. So friends, hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and give your comments in the comment section. Thank you.